Hi everyone, in front of me I've got POCO F7 and let me share with you how to set the camera timer on this device. So let's begin with opening the camera app. And currently we are in the standard photo mode. So now all we have to do is to open the settings. So we have to tap on this arrow right in the middle, I mean at the top of the screen, but in the middle. And here we've got this hourglass icon, which means the timer. So let's tap on it. In this device, we've got 4 different options, so off, 3, 5, and 10 seconds delay. So let me choose 10 seconds delay, just tap on the option I'd like to use, it will be immediately highlighted and the timer icon will change. So now we can go back to the camera and then tap on the shutter button. And from now on, your device will count down from 10, 5, or 2 or 3, depending on which option you've chosen. And after that, it will simply take a photo. Alright, so this is how it works. Of course, you can turn the timer off. Just tap on this arrow again, tap on the timer, and tap on this crossed out icon. Now, if we've got this hourglass icon applied, it means that the timer is off and your device will take photos immediately after tapping on the shutter button. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.